Have you ever been perfectly happy with your document, only to insert one single image and watch your entire layout explode? The text jumps to the next page, your margins disappear, and suddenly you're fighting the software instead of finishing your work. It's the worst. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to insert and edit images in WPS Writer without ruining your layout. We're going to make your documents look like a high-end magazine in just a few clicks. You can do everything I'm about to show you for free. I've included a link to download WPS Office Pro in the description below. Grab it so you can follow along with me. Now, most people just drag and drop, but let's do it the right way. Go to the Insert tab and click Picture. Pick your file and hit Open. Now, if it comes in huge, grab the corner handles, always the corners, to shrink it down. If you grab the sides, you'll stretch your boss's face or distort your product, and that is definitely not professional. To keep your layout intact, simply click the photo to bring up the floating icons on the side. These are your image layout tools, and they're the key to fixing your formatting. By default, WPS sets images to in line with text, which treats your photo like one giant letter. That's why your sentences are breaking. Just click your photo, head into Layout Options, and select Square or Tight. Instantly, your text wraps perfectly around the image, and you can move the photo anywhere on the page without breaking a single sentence. Now let's polish it up. You don't need Photoshop for basic edits. Click the image to bring up the Picture Tools tab. Hit Crop to cut out any distracting background. If you want to make it pop or stand out, go to Picture Tools and find the Effects drop-down. Go to Shadows to add some depth, or pick a soft border to make your photo really stand out on the page. It's a small touch, but it makes the image look integrated into the report rather than just stuck on top of it. And that's how you insert and edit images without ruining your layout in WPS. Perfectly placed images, zero headaches required. If you want to master your document formatting, make sure to download WPS Office Pro using the link below in the description. It's a total game changer for your workflow. Now that you know this, the next step is making your documents look clean and professional. In the next video, I'll show you how to format professional reports in WPS Writer step by step. Click the video on your screen to watch it. If this helped you out, hit that like button and let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.